The problem wasn't that he wasn't working hard. The problem was he didn't know what to focus on. Hello everyone, this is the story of Govind, one of our alumni who came from a non-tech background and is now working in a top data role. At one point, he was doing everything, watching videos, trying different resources, but still not seeing any real progress. No structure, no consistency, and no guidance. And that's where things started to feel stuck. So, exactly, how did he go from that to working on real data projects for global brands? So, in this conversation, he shares what actually changed in his approach. Let's hear his story. So, briefly introduce yourself and walk me through your professional journey.
So my name is Govind, and I have completed my bachelor's degree in electronics and telecommunication in 2021. And I started working with Kantar in my previous role, and there I used to work on the metadata to handle the metadata of the data, and there I developed some experience towards the data analysis and the trend checking things. So due to that, I gradually developed my interest and I started looking out to switch my career into the data analytics domain. So
Okay, great. So, how many years of work experience have you got now?
I have got close to 4 years of experience now.
Okay, nice. So I just wanted to know that before joining Bosscoder Academy's program, what were the key challenges you were facing in your journey?
Basically, there were few challenges. Like I used to study at my own, and there I used to research on a lot of topics. So there was no structured path. And second thing is, I used to have some inconsistency. Like I used to work on weekends and in some days, but that did not carry forward in a month. Like I worked in a week, then there is a gap of 1 or 2 weeks. Then that kind of lack of consistency was there. And also I lacked some mentorship. Like there was no one to guide me and to like what kind of thing I should follow, what kind of pattern, what kind of roadmap to get
Right.
into the data analytics.
So I would like to know that how did Bosscoder Academy's program really helped you fix these problems?
In Bosscoder, while I was joining, they promised me there will be a structured roadmap for learning. And as they said, I got the structured learning, like a particular roadmap is required for the data analyst person. And apart from that, they also provided mentor who helped me during problem solving. Wherever I stuck somewhere,
Yeah.
I'm struggling to solve any problem, I can go up to him and he will be able to clear all my doubts. And then during my interview process also, I used to ask him like how I can prepare and how to how to tackle the tricky questions. Like that kind of conversation used to happen with mentor. So
Right, right.
mentor also helped me a lot.
So I want to know how was your experience with the instructors? Did you find the instructors to be really valuable, helpful? So, and if yes, then in what manner?
Yeah, like the instructors were very qualified, and whenever I used to ask them any kind of doubt that I am not clear or I'm not able to understand, I used to ask them again, and yeah, they used to guide me with that. And if I'm still not clear, then I can again go up to them in a separate meeting or separate call. So that way, they were very helpful, and obviously there was no challenge about their skills that they have.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate Boss Coder Academy's program?
I can say Bosscoder has done a good job, and it has helped me achieve what I was looking for, and it helped me upskill myself and find a new job. So I can say around 8.5. I can say,
Okay,
yeah.
that's yeah, it's good to hear. And thank you so much, Govind, for taking out time today for us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So yeah, that was Govind's journey. And I think the biggest takeaway here is that it's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. A lot of people put in effort, but without structure and guidance, it's easy to feel stuck. And once that clarity comes in, progress starts to follow. So, if you're also trying to transition into top data roles, then check out Bosscoder Academy. Link is in the description below. And for more such honest stories, press like, share, and subscribe.